Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, with fashion and makeup or passion. Now, with today's haul, I got something from Sephora. I got these for free because I use a company called MyPoints, MyPoints.com. I'll try to link it in the description box down below. But basically, they send you like emails of different things that you go and you check out. You buy. If you buy, you get more points. If you just look at the ad, then you get 5 points for looking at it. It used to be 10, but now it's 5. And so I usually let mine rack up to a high amount of points, and then once a year I'll cash them in. And this was the year that I cashed them in. So I got these here items for free just by mypoints.com. So this is the Pat McGrath palette, the Star Wars one. And what is the name of it? Mothership 6 Midnight Sun. So let's see if I can open this with one hand. My nails are getting in the way. There we go. And what I like about this is not only is the detail on the front of the package, but it's also on the palette itself. That is just too cute. Oh yes, I'm gonna have this for many great years. Probably pass it down to my granddaughter if I get one. My son is not in the hurry for any kids. And I'm not in the hurry to be a grandma. Let's see, how do I open this? Alright, got it. I was opening it wrong. I just had it. This thing is proving me wrong. Alright. I don't think it wants to open now. There we go. Determination. These other colors. Let me swatch this purple one because this is looking real good. Oh, look at that. You see that? Let's go with this one here. You see that? You see that? Isn't that just gorgeous? Man, she know how to put out some good palettes. Man, I'm so glad I got this for free. So for y'all, and mypoints.com, when I put it down there, refer to me so I can get some of my points for sending you guys over there. Because it really does work. Like I said, once a year I cash in my points. Okay, let's see if I can get this open. This is Natasha Denona palette. Her newest one is out. Let's see, I can't get into this. Okay, let me try this one. Okay, like I said, this is her latest one that is out. Look at that. Now, isn't that gorgeous? Let me see, I want to try this purple one too. So let's try it. Oh, it's not even purple. Like, what color is that? It reads purple in the palette, but it's not purple. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Look at the shine on it. Alright, let's try this one. And this one is... What? Yeah, I can't pronounce none of those names. Look at that. Oh, look at them. Isn't it just so pretty? That is just so pretty. My goodness. You want to do it rub off easily. You see that? Wow. My goodness, I can't wait to use this palette. I need more places to go so I can do more makeup and wear some of my nicer things that I just recently bought. Alright. This one is the Supreme Bronze by Artist Couture. Let's see. Now this one I know I got for $22. It was on sale. I think it still is on sale on Sephora.com. So let's see how this one looks. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm not going to tap into this one. I just want to show you guys the color of it. Isn't that pretty? I'm tempted. I'm tempted. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Look at that one. It's putting you in mind of Pat McGrath and Natasha Denona. These palettes are really good. Look at that. Coming closer. Look how shiny that is. That is very pretty. Yeah, man, I can't wait to test these out. They look so good. Yes, 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 yes. I just can't wait. Well, anyways, moving on from that. Depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good evening, or good night. God bless, and please do like and subscribe. Bye-bye.